And then going back to kind of a high level, we're looking at our company is really all about trying to build a Berkshire Hathaway 2.0 and really trying to use Bitcoin as the asset instead of using stocks and bonds as the asset, and putting the Bitcoin to work in the marketplace. But also the idea that we could eventually purchase wholly owned subsidiaries. So there are other companies within the Bitcoin ecosystem that we think are finding product market fit that need an infusion of capital and could benefit from our lower cost of capital. So if you're a private Bitcoin company and you're looking to step on the gas, if you're trying to access private credit markets, you might be paying 12 to 14% interest rates if you can access them at all, right? With our company, we have a much lower blended cost of capital. And it also gives founders an opportunity to access liquidity through the public shares. And we can create a great alignment with those founders. So very similar to what Berkshire Hathaway has done with having wholly owned subsidiaries, although they're in the traditional TradFi world, right? Coal companies, gas companies, utilities, the trains that move those products. Well, we would like to be vertically integrated into the Bitcoin ecosystem. And, we want to be a Bitcoin pure play with Bitcoin sub operating companies that are wholly owned but independently run. And we think that's kind of like a different approach to trying to build kind of a Bitcoin treasury that will really be emphasizing utilizing Bitcoin as an asset and trying to generate a return on that asset. That's really kind of the mission that we're pursuing.